Anusha, your diva on duty for Bebeautiful presents the Glam Van, where I give the most ultimate makeovers. And you're probably wondering why I'm sitting with such a cute, beautiful 4.5-year-old. Her name is Tanisha. And you're probably thinking, why does she need a makeover? Well, she doesn't. She's just here for moral support today. Hi, Tanisha. Hi. Can you give me a high five? Yes. It's her mother that's going to be given the makeover, so you want to stay tuned to see it all happen here. Oh, she has the hair flick down too. So what kind of clothes do you like to wear? Interesting. Great. So I clearly need some mother training, which I probably can get from my next glam suspect, and I, in return, can give her an amazing glamorous makeover. So we can kind of do a switch deal here. Call your mum in. Here she is. You guys are so cute. All right, so tell me a little bit about your family life. What age were you? When did you get married?
So we were 24. Our families fell in love with each other and they got us married.
Wow, so it was arranged? It was an arranged?
Yeah, but it was fun.
Okay, and then Tanisha came along.
Yes. I got Tanisha after 5 years being married.
Okay.
I had a little bit of issue with my knee.
Okay.
I had a small cyst earlier.
Oh.
Post-pregnancy, I realized that it was not like a one-time solution, and it was a recurring tumor.
Oh.
And when she was like exactly 1 month old, I got to know that it was a recurring tumor. And then since then, it's been a little crazy, but that's all right. That's what life is about.
Right.
Ups and downs.
Got to keep the positivity alive.
Yeah,
right?
Take a deep breath, chin up, and move on.
That's right. That's so inspirational to so many people out there to never let even the greatest difficulties get you down. You have to rise above it. That's fantastic. You don't need an inside makeover.
Yeah.
We're just looking for the outside. That's beautiful. But you still work?
I try to. I'm a full-time mom and a part-time family business person.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are like a boss woman.
I'd like to believe so.
Of course. Okay, well, you've done a fantastic job. But tell me, why do you think you need a makeover? Because you look beautiful to me. You have a beautiful daughter. You seem so happy, healthy. You're dressed well. What is it actually that you came here for?
A change. Life has become monotonous in the past few years, and I think somewhere I'm a wife, a mom.
And it's just kind of like
I
clockwork.
I need something for myself, need to find that balance again.
Yes.
And you need a breath of fresh air every now and then, because ultimately a happy mom makes a happy child, so it's for both of us.
Of course, of course. Tanisha, you can go, sweetie. Thank you so much. Bye. So what do you feel like you tend to wear a lot of?
I mean, I prefer flowy because of certain reasons.
Sure.
Yeah.
Of the leg.
Yeah.
But do you feel like people treat you a little bit more special, or like give you too much concern and you get fed up of that, or?
Yeah, immediate family becomes more protective.
Sure.
But I think it's a good thing.
That's a nice thing. It's a loving
I'm okay
thing.
with it.
Okay.
I just don't want to be a sob story. You can't let something define you.
Right.
I mean, if I am dependent on people, that's what my daughter is learning, right? Because they don't learn what you try to teach them, they learn what they see. So I want to set a good example for her.
Oh, I love that. That's so amazing. Well, today your daughter's going to see a new woman.
Waiting for her reaction.
I hope she doesn't forget to call you mom. Are you ready?
Yes, absolutely.
Yay. And you want to stay tuned, because we are going to change this powerhouse super mom into a glamorous one.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go. Okay, so Avani is such a beautiful power mom and I really want to help her out. So I thought to ease her into a makeover, I wanted to give her a jumpsuit style in earthy tones, cinch the waist with a belt, maybe a lower neck just to give her that kind of sexiness and confidence. And with her hair and makeup, I'm going to keep the makeup natural but glowy and beautiful because I want her to be able to do that makeup at home. And then with her hair, well, I'm going to make her look like she's had this beautiful bounce and sexiness. So I'm going to do a blowout. I'm so excited. So here we go. Avani, so I told you that we're going to do very basic makeup with you, but it's going to have a glow, but we're going to stick to neutral colors because I think that's going to suit you. You've got lighter skin, so I'm going to do something kind of similar to what I've done to myself. We're going to start with a concealer.
I usually get some acne every now and then.
Okay, so do you eat sugar?
Yes.
It's
okay.
sugar. And do you eat dairy?
All the time.
Those are the two enemies to acne.
Okay.
So if you try it for 2 or 3 weeks, just stop both completely, watch your entire skin change. So we're lightly dabbing the concealer on. All right, so now we're going to move on to the eyes. So see how it's really simple. But before that, we'll just do a little bit of a powder, just to give you a finishing touch. And you can put it on your neck as well, okay? And then, all right, so now that you have your base, very light concealer and then a powder just to give you a finishing effect, what you do is take a fan brush, it looks like this, you know, like really fan yourself. All right, and you get a loose white powder and you just put it under your eyes like this. Now when we work on the eyeshadow, right, whatever falls won't get stuck to your face or your skin, and then we can just swish it off later. Okay. All right, now let's do the eyeshadow. Close your eye. Okay, so now that the eyeshadow's done, we're gonna add, just close your eyes, add a bit of liner. But we're keeping it brown, so again, if you do this at home, even if you make a mistake, it's not gonna be like, you know, the black liner that it gets all over the place and you'll freak out. Okay, let's move to the blush. Again, we're gonna give you neutral. Trick is to always smile and then aim for those beautiful cheekbones. And then just take a brush that you haven't used and just keep smiling and just go in rotating circles to make sure that the blush goes into your cheek and makes it look super natural. Okay, when you're using a highlighter, so you go right on the top of your cheekbone here. Okay, so what it does, it raises your cheekbones even more. But you have high cheekbones already, so we don't need to raise them a lot. So I'm using a darker highlighter. If we needed to raise the cheekbones, we'd use a whiter one. Yeah. So this is kind of a gold finish, so it's really natural. Okay, you have the most amazing eyelashes, and so does Tanisha, I realized that.
Thank you.
Quickly, put the mascara on this way, so you do it like this, and when you put the bottom lashes, hold your brush this way, and do it like that, okay? Then you get the fan brush that I was telling you, look up, and we dust away any residue. All right, lip color. Let's put a little bit of, and rub it together. Yeah. Avani, you're halfway there. This is not the complete look yet. We still have so much to do to your hair, and we're gonna change your outfit, and then you will be ready to go. Are you ready to see the next part?
Yes.
Okay, let's go, come on. So exciting. Close your eyes.
Again? No, she's coming. Don't open, okay?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Superb.
What do you think?
Beautiful.
Thank you. Oh my God, do you love it, Tanisha?
Yes,
Oh, wow.
I want this.
you want. Let me ask you, hi, first of all. Nice to meet you. What do you think?
Changed for good? Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love it?
Absolutely. Yes.
Yay!
Yes. All thanks to you.
So now you're going to take her on a beautiful date tonight?
Absolutely right away.
Oh, yes, that's what I like to hear. That's amazing. How do you feel, Avani?
So good. This
Yeah.
is refreshing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yay! I'm so excited. Well, thank you so much for coming to the Glam Van. I've had so much fun.
Yes.
And thank you for being here, little miss. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you see with Avani's makeover. And don't forget to subscribe to Be Beautiful right here. Can everybody point here?
Yeah.
Point here, that's right. And of course, comment below and tell us what you think about this power mum who now looks like the glamorous mum. And don't forget to tune in to more Be Beautiful presents the Glam Van, where I have so many more ultimate makeovers to give. I'm Anusha, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Blow kiss. Oh, yeah, girl. Let's go.